These days, a watch can do so much more than just tell you the time. Thanks to advances in technology and the invention of the smartwatch, timepieces can now be your trainer, your assistant, and your phone, all rolled into one. So, if you're looking to have the world at your fingertips, or rather on your wrist, a smartwatch is the new essential accessory. But don't worry if all the tech talk confuses you. We're here to help you decode these innovative devices and find your perfect smartwatch partner with this guide. All product links available in the description. 1. TicWatch 2 Smartwatch. You can live a more convenient, connected, and fun life thanks to the TicWatch 2 smartwatch. The innovative piece of technology allows you to unplug from your phone without missing a single moment or message thanks to its combination of useful functions. From listening to music without lugging around your phone to telling your watch to order you an Uber, you can do it all and more with the TicWatch 2. 2. Asus Zen Watch 3. The Asus Zen Watch 3 redefines what it means to be a smartwatch. Not only does the device feature incredible technology, but it also boasts amazing craftsmanship. As such, this luxurious timepiece offers high quality and stylish design while providing timely information at a glance. Whether it's a message from a friend, a weather update, or your daily steps, the Zen Watch 3 will give you everything you need to know while looking great in the process. 3. Fossil Q Crewmaster. The Fossil Q Crewmaster boasts the capabilities of a smartwatch with all the stylish aesthetics of a regular watch. So, if you want a smartwatch that appears more sophisticated than sporty, this is the one for you. Due to its hybrid design, the Q Crewmaster is battery-powered and requires no charging, meaning that it can keep you connected 24/7. Whether you're counting every step, waiting for an important call, or want to be able to snap the perfect selfie at any moment, this sharp smartwatch won't let you down. 4. Apple Watch Series 4. Want to access your iPhone's apps and functions without having to pull it out of your pocket or bag? The Apple Watch Series 4 is what you need. This handy device will allow you to view notifications and alerts from your phone with a simple glance at your wrist. The built-in GPS also lets you navigate and record accurate workout data without a phone. As such, you can feel free to go walking, running, or cycling without needing to rely on your phone for information about distance, speed, pace, and route. 5. Motorola Moto 360 Sport. The Motorola Moto 360 Sport is the perfect workout partner. The smartwatch, which is ideal for those who lead an active life, will help you power through your workouts and get the most out of every day. Not only does the device track your steps, calories, and heart rate, but it also has a built-in GPS to track your distance and pace. After your workout, you can cool down while using your Moto 360 Sport to read your Gmail, check traffic conditions, and receive Facebook updates. All product links available in the description. Thanks for watching.